Knowledge is success in the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing systems seem easy to use and affordable, which attracts the attention of potential users. Nothing has to be purchased, mailed, or even personally handled. But, just as in any money-making venture, there is hard work to be done if you want to be successful at it. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. You should select affiliate partner who are targeting the same audience that you are targeting. Doing so will increase traffic through your website and show consumers you understand them. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you choose a niche that fits you. Do not choose a niche on a whim. Do some research, and discover the best niche that will suit you and your interests. You have a much better shot at being successful if you pick a niche that you love than if you pick one that you do not. You can make money at home in your spare time by choosing affiliate marketing as your niche. You simply write about products that your affiliates sell and then link to the products. Every time that one of your readers buys the product from your link, you get a percentage of the sale. Applying for your affiliate marketing link is not hard to do. Most companies have an affiliate marketing banner on the bottom of their main website. You can just click that link and request to be an affiliate. Normally they will want to see your site, so have the link ready. Be proactive while you are writing your video. Use lots of keywords and phrases that the vast majority of people will use to search for that subject matter. Using these keywords will increase the chances that it will come up in search engine results, which is where most people go to find their information. Be sure to write quality content and then enhance it with affiliate links. Consider your affiliate links as resources for your clients that will make it easy for them to purchase the product or service you sincerely recommend. If your review of the product is shallow and makes it clear that you don't really have personal experience with the product, no one will click on your links, no matter how many you post. When constructing a headline for any affiliate marketing campaign, you should include the main benefit of the product, along with the product title, in either the headline or within the first paragraph. Get to the point right away so your readers know exactly what they're watching about. If they're interested, you just might earn a commission. Your goal should go beyond making a sustainable income. Remember that what you get often directly corresponds to what you give. You may be frustrated when you first start, but if you keep at it, you'll be extremely happy with the results. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.